Yeah, welcome. Now in this tutorial, I want to teach you here how you can make money online by reading mails. You don't need to have any experience. You can make a $50, you can make $500, you can make $2,000, and so on. It is very possible to make money online without investment. In this website, I'm going to unleash to you. You don't need any experience. All you just need to do is read mails. You don't even need to know how to read because you don't need to read the mails. All you just need is open the mails, open it, and allow it for some time. Boom, your money goes in. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel as a support. I think that is where you have to support me. So subscribe to the YouTube channel and then give it a thumbnail, like the video so that others can get it also. I am always updating you on how to make money on a daily basis. I keep on uploading videos. My name is Omaso on YouTube. Continue to patronize me by subscribing to my YouTube channel to encourage me. Now let's dive in. The website I'm going to show you is just very easy. All you need to have is a Gmail account or a Yahoo Mail account. Just any form of account, a mail account where you can be able to receive mails. Um, Quickly go to your browser. You click on paid to read emails.com, or you go to Google. Just type paid to read emails. It will pop up this website you are seeing here. Click on it and then you are here. Now all you need here is to sign up with your Gmail account or your any of your email account. Sign up here. If you're a mail, you tick mail. Let's do it together. Let's sign up. David, you put on your email address. Which of the email do I use? Because I already have an account there. I just want to use an email here. How was this business hub? Okay, let me copy this email and then paste there. A password. You need to put your password. Put your password, and then you hit sign up. Let's wait for it to load. Yes, it will load, and we have to fill the form again. Zip code, and then I'm not a robot, so that they know that you are not actually a robot. Then you sign up. Once you sign up, let's save this. Once you sign up, you can say thank you, account activated. Thank you. Your paid to read email account is not active. You have a $3 sign up fee. It's just a bonus I'll be giving to you. Hey, there are other things that you can do on this website other than to read mails. But we just want to take this as our point of discussion. We want to teach you how to read, get paid while you are reading emails. So you're not looking at any other thing. You want to scroll down to the page, and then you can see here as you receive paid mails from paid to read emails. Just click to confirm reading each email and earn money to get to your paid to read email account. It adds up fast. So let's click here, earn more reading emails. And then what you need to do is to send. Look at what happens here. Let's go to here. Activate your account to earn cash. Click the activation button on the activation email you sent to Business Hub. That is my email address, to confirm your email address. Having troubles? We don't have troubles here. So what you need to do is to send new activation email so that we can start earning money. I think an email will be sent. So let's go to our mail. So confirm it. You can see the mail has appeared here. The activation email has appeared here. So we need to go activate the mail. Once it is activated, then we are good to go. Okay, I think it's activated. Thank you, account activated. Now remember, your sign up bonus is still here. You can see it's awesome. Very easy. Very, very easy. All you need is to be checking your mails. You always get emails here. Once you get the mail, just click on the mail to open it. For instance, if this is the mail here, you click on it. Uh, this is the mail. Just click to open the mail. Hmm? They've not sent mail. It takes some time before they start sending you mail. They will keep on bumping email to you as if there is no tomorrow. They want you to keep opening those mails. Once you open them, you get paid instantly. Once you open them, you get paid instantly. So that is all you need. It's very awesome, very cool. You don't need to know how to read or write. You don't need to know how to. There's no experience needed. There's another thing that is in this website. Please, if this interests you, why not subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you get other of our materials that will be released every day. Just subscribe. It's just easy. Click the bell icon so that it notifies you once once we upload. So what you need to do is go here, click more, refer a friend. It has a referral incentive. Once you refer a friend, that your friend's earnings, you have 15% of it. Just look at it. You'll be credited 15% of your referral earnings by completing offers, take surveys, and shopping online. So once your referrer works online, read mails, you are being paid 15% of the person's effort. So all you need to do is to take the referral link. You can see. So you can just take the referral link. See here, bam, and that is all you need. And then you can see other things that the site does. It has a survey site, a Disney Diner data, survey time, Sasso survey. All these are survey sites if you want to go into survey, but for the sake of this video, we are only looking at reading of mail. So you just need to be checking your mail, just like I said. Keep on refreshing your mail. It will come. Once the mail comes, quickly you read. You open the mail, allow it for some time. Sometimes it gives you instruction, sometimes it doesn't. So what you need to do is just allow it for some time. For after opening the mail, just keep it some time, and then you automatically get the cash. And once you hit the $50 maximum or minimum or threshold for withdrawal, you can place withdrawal. Withdrawal is on paper. Withdrawal is basically on paper. So you need to have a PayPal account. If you're in Nigeria and you don't have a PayPal account, just drop a comment in the section below and I will teach you how to create a PayPal account even while you are in Nigeria. It's very easy. A lot of people have been using it. I myself have been using it. So it's very easy. Thank you for watching this video and make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of things to expose to you. Earn money online. It's not going to be only one strategy, a whole lot of strategies. Continue watching my video, continue subscribing and referring to friends. Thank you very much.